Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, we will be looking at the Google Bard and everything about it. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. What is Google Bard? Bard is Google's experimental, conversational, artificial intelligence chat service. It is meant to function similarly to ChatGPT, with the biggest difference being that Google's service will pull its information from the web. Like most artificial intelligence chatbots, Bard can code, answer math problems, and help with your writing needs. When was Google Bard announced? Bard was unveiled on February 6 in a statement from Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai. Even though Bard was an entirely new concept, the artificial intelligence chat service that was launched was powered by Google's language model for dialogue applications, LaMDA, which was unveiled 2 years prior. Google Bard was then released a little over a month later on March 21, 2023. How does Google Bard work? Google Bard is now powered by Google's very own and most advanced large language model, LLM, PaLM 2, which was unveiled at Google I/O 2023. A new wave of artificial intelligence tools has taken the world by storm and given us a vision for a new way of working and finding the information that can streamline our work and our lives. We show you the ways tools like ChatGPT and other generational artificial intelligence software are making impacts on the world, how to harness their power, as well as potential risks. PaLM 2, a more advanced version of PaLM, which was released in April 2022, will allow Bard to be much more efficient and to perform at a higher level. The initial version of Bard used a lightweight model version of LaMDA because it required less computing power and could be scaled to more users. LaMDA was built on Transformer, Google's neural network architecture that it invented and open-sourced in 2017. Interestingly, GPT-3, the language model ChatGPT functions on, was also built on Transformer, according to Google. Google's decision to use its own LMs, LaMDA and PaLM 2 was a bold decision from Google since some of the most popular artificial intelligence chatbots right now, including ChatGPT and Bing Chat, use a language model in the GPT series. Is Google's Bard available to the public? At Google I/O, the tech giant announced there would no longer be a waitlist for Bard, making it currently open to the general public. Google Bard's previous waitlist opened up on March 21, 2023, and the tech giant granted access to limited numbers of users in the US and UK on a rolling basis. What languages is Bard available in? As of July, Bard is available in over 40 languages, a major advantage over its biggest rival, ChatGPT, which is only available in English. Can I reverse image search on Google Bard? In its July wave of updates, Google added multimodal search, allowing users the ability to input pictures as well as text to the chatbot. Multimodal search is possible through the integration of Google Lens into Bard, which was originally announced at Google I/O. This feature is helpful because users can upload an image and ask Bard for more information on it or incorporate it into the prompt. For example, if you see a plant and want to know what plant it is, all you need to do is snap a picture and ask Google Bard. Does Google include images in its answers? In late May, Bard was updated to include images in its answers. The images are pulled from Google and shown when you ask a question that can be better answered by including a photo. For example, when I asked Bard, "What are some of the best places to visit in New York?" it provided a list of different places and included photos for each. What is the controversy around Google Bard? Google's Bard had a rough launch, with a demo of Bard delivering inaccurate information about the James Webb Space Telescope. At launch, Google tweeted a demo of the artificial intelligence chat service in which the prompt read, "What new discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope can I tell my 9-year-old about?" Bard replied, "JWST took the very first pictures of a planet outside of our own solar system." People quickly noticed that the output response was factually incorrect. The actual performance of the chatbot also led to lots of negative feedback. In ZDNet's experience, Bard also failed to answer basic questions, had a longer wait time, didn't automatically include sources, and paled in comparison to more established competitors. Google CEO Sundar Pichai called Bard a souped-up civic compared to ChatGPT and Bing Chat. Before Bard was released, Google's LaMDA came under fire as well. As EZNet's Tiernan Ray reports, shortly after LaMDA's publication, former Google engineer Blake Lemoine released a document in which he shared that LaMDA might be sentient. This controversy faded after Google denied the sentience and put Lemoine on paid administrative leave before letting him go from the company. Why did Google decide to unveil Google Bard when it did? Less than a week after launching, ChatGPT had more than 1 million users. According to analysis by Swiss bank UBS, ChatGPT became the fastest-growing app of all time. Other tech companies, including Google, saw this success and wanted a piece of the action. In the same week that Google unveiled Bard in February 2023, Microsoft unveiled a new artificial intelligence-improved Bing, which runs on a next-generation OpenAI LLM customized specifically for search. What other artificial intelligence services does Google have? Google has developed other artificial intelligence services that have yet to be released to the public. The tech giant typically treads lightly when it comes to artificial intelligence products and doesn't release them until it's confident in a product's performance. For example, Google has developed an artificial intelligence image generator, Imagen, which could be a great alternative to OpenAI's DALL-E when released. Google also has an artificial intelligence music generator, MusicLM, which Google says it has no plans to release at this point. In a recent paper discussing MusicLM, Google recognized the risk that these kinds of models could pose to the misappropriation of creative content and inherent biases present in the training that could affect cultures underrepresented in the training, as well fears over cultural appropriation. That's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.